complicated.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, I'm going to be showing you 6 different hairstyles. They're super quick and easy to do, and they're a really great way to keep your hair back from your face while still keeping it down for the most part. But if you think you might be interested in that, keep on watching. Hey guys, so sorry if my voice is a little off, I'm sick, but anyway, for the first hairstyle, the main thing you really want to focus on is the sectioning. So as you can see, I'm kind of doing like a really triangular section. You just want to make sure that your sectioning is clean and even. And then what I'm doing is I'm taking a small section and I'm starting a Dutch braid. So that is the one that goes underneath, not over, as you can see. And it's as if you can do a Dutch braid, then this look is super easy. If not, there's so many videos on YouTube that you can always look up. But I really love this look. It's so just like a simple way to make your hair look a lot fancier. Then once I've finished the braid, I just grab a little clear elastic and tie it off, making it into a little kind of ponytail, I guess. And then I just repeat the same thing on the other side. Once I finish securing the braids on both sides, I just kind of fluff them up, tighten them a bit, make sure all the curls are going in the same direction, and that is all for the first look. Now for the second look, I'm going to be doing a waterfall braid, and this braid kind of took me a while to learn, so I thought I would do it a little bit slower for you guys and show you how I do it, because it might be different from the way someone else does it. So you start by sectioning your hair in 3, and you start the braid off by normal. As you can see here, I'm just adding a little bit of hair like I would in a French braid, but that's the only time I'm going to add from the bottom. Now I'm adding another piece from the top, if I can pick it up. So I'm adding it there, and then as you can see, I'm holding that piece that I just had and setting it down to the side and scooping up the hair right next to it. I know it's scary to drop a piece of hair in a braid, but I promise you, as long as you're holding your pieces pretty tightly, it doesn't affect your braid at all. Now I'm crossing over the other piece, adding it as I would on a French braid, and then I'm going to drop that other piece again and scoop up a small section right next to it. I'm just going to continue this pattern by picking up my small piece, and now I'm adding in again. This braid is super simple though. Once you get the hang of it, honestly, it's one of my favorites too, because it doesn't pull back too much hair. It still leaves you all that length and the fullness, but still holding it back, the front pieces, from your face. Now I continue this braid all the way to the back of my head, and then I just kind of secure it with a little clear elastic. Once I finish both sides, I go back in with my curling iron, and I like to touch up the pieces that you can see predominantly coming out of the braid, just to make sure they're extra curly and looking nice. And that is all for this look. Now for the next look, I'm going to be doing one similar to the first, but with a French braid instead and a little bit bigger sections. This one you don't really need to make clean cut sections. I just kind of start French braiding from the top of my hair with a middle part. And then I just keep on adding hair until roughly an inch above where my hair stops around my ear. And then I secure it with a hair elastic and repeat the same thing on the other side. That's pretty much all for this look. I really love this one because it keeps my hair pulled back from my face, but it's still super cute. Now for the next hairstyle, I'm going to be switching my part. I'm parting it on the left side because that's the side I like it parted on, but you can kind of do whichever. I want to make sure it's a pretty deep side part, and then I'm going to make sure I have clean sections and section off about a 2-inch deep section of all the hair at the front of my head, kind of like a really bad side bang. Then I'm going to take a section and split it into 3, and I'm going to Dutch braid my hair in sort of a headband direction. I'm going to add pieces in and keep Dutch braiding and finish it right around my temple. Then, once I've finished that, I secure it with an elastic and I start pulling apart my braid to pancake it, as they say, and make it appear bigger and fluffier. Just make it look a little more messed up. And then I'm going to section off the top of my hair and I'm going to bobby pin this braid back. And when I'm bobby pinning it, I want to make sure I'm crisscrossing my bobby pins, just to make sure that it's really secured and it will last you all day. And that's pretty much all for this look. Now for the next one. This one is super cute. I love it. It's almost like a faux hawk. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to section off a mohawk section at the top of my head. Then once I've got my section, I'm going to start a Dutch braid. Again, that's the one where you put the pieces underneath, not on top. And then I'll secure it with an elastic. Once you secure it with the ponytail, honestly you could leave it like this if you wanted, but I'm going for a different look, so I'm going to twist my hair and wrap it around my fingers and make a little mini bun and secure that with a clear elastic, and then I'm just gonna make sure it's the way I like and pin it in place with some bobby pins. And that's kind of how I get this faux hawk look. I really love it. It's kind of edgy and really cute. Now for my last and final look, I am going to split my hair down the middle and brush it out because my hair is going to be fully up this time, so we don't need to worry about those curls. And I'm going to section off almost a fringe-like section at the front and the little baby hairs around my ears. And I know this looks really weird, but I'm just going to twist them and clip them off with a baby clip, just because I don't want to get any of those hairs stuck when I put my hair up. Now I'm going to pull the rest of my hair back, and I'm just going to brush it into a high pony. This look is also really cute as just a ponytail. I just really like the bun, and I thought I would show you guys how I do it. Now I'm going to slow it down just so you can see a little bit better how I do it. But instead of pulling my hair through, I'm going to wrap it around without pulling it through, basically. And just secure my elastic around it 3 times if it'll go through. This just ensures that our bun is really, really tight and it's going to last all day without getting droopy or saggy. And then I'm just going to fix it, pull the hair how I like it, kind of tighten it a bit. And that's pretty much how I get this bun. And then I'll secure any baby hairs that have fallen down at the back. And I'll recurl those front pieces just so that they frame my face a little bit better. That is pretty much it for this look. It's such an easy way to make sure your hair still looks cute even when you have to put it up. Awesome. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below letting me know which hairstyle was your favorite. That's all for today though, so I will see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.
What I need is for you to be sure, no, no, no. For you to be sure, no, no, no. For you to be sure, no, no, no.